Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox Crash error. This is an easy tutorial video, so make sure to watch to the very end so you don't make any mistakes along the way. Without further ado, let's get started. First, press the Windows and R keys together. Then, type app data and click OK. Open the local folder. And now delete the folder that says Roblox on it. Now press Windows and R keys again. This time, type %temp% and press OK. And delete the Roblox folder. Now in the search bar, type Roblox and press uninstall. Here, find the one that says Roblox, right-click on it, and press uninstall. After that, just reinstall Roblox. And that's it. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching.